Yeah, I was not going to make a full-length video on this, but I think Duffy deserves it. He's almost 10 years old now. He is my fur brother. He's an actual brother. He looks just like me. But yeah, he has not slowed down. He has acted like a puppy his entire life. This dog is such a bad dog. He is so wild, and you cannot contain the sloth. The sloth is a madman.
Those eyeballs, they go on the back of his head when he's broken.
This is dangerous. Come on, man.
You're a madman. This one can't take it. Look at her. Look at those eyes. Don't worry, Duffy was not harmed in the making of this video. This is just him being him. This is what he does.